Mathematicians?
That's me.
Oh, thanks a lot, Tommy. That is you. Thanks a lot for you guys. This is our new lesson. Today we're going to be talking about addition, and we're going to be talking about subtraction. And when we talk about addition, that's an operation. And when we talk about subtraction, that's also an operation. So today we're going to be looking at those two ideas of them being an operation and how they're related. How when you know addition and subtraction, how are those two related? So right now you're going to need your whiteboard, and it's important to have it because all math monsters need to have it so they can at least work with me. Oh yeah. Did you just hear Math Monster? Let's see if we can do that. Math Monster! Math Monster! Math Monster! Whew! Feeling good. Thank you. So you got your board and you got your marker. And again, this is really important to have with this. I'm going to give you a problem, and I'm going to ask you, please, to write it like I'm writing it, but then I want you to put it on the math mountain. So let's start it off. I've got the number 700, not a good marker, hold on. I've got the number 736. Take away 127. Can you put that on your board? So I have this number, and I'm taking away this number from it. And then right next to that, would you please then also make a math mountain? So when you see that math mountain, you're like, Mrs. Seitz, I know where these numbers go on the math mountain. You're also noticing that this is a subtraction. The operation is subtraction. So right now you have this on your board. Awesome. And you have a math mountain, and you've got these numbers where they belong. And we're looking for the answer, we could have an unknown there, okay? So how many of you were familiar with understanding that 736 was it was the total. Did you guys say total? Nice. It is. It's the total. It's the total. And so the total we know goes on top of the math mountain. So I have 736 here. 736 stickers. And I gave Uncle Tommy, I gave them to him. It means I took away, it's subtraction. I gave him 127. That would go on this side of my mountain. How many stickers do I have left? Absolutely, my friends. I'm looking for that other unknown. So, friends, if you knew that this was the total, put a T for that, and you knew that this was one of the, did you say add-ins? Yep, it is one of the add-ins. Then you know that we were looking for the unknown add-in. This is the power. So friends, I know where my numbers sit on a math mountain. I feel pretty good. I'm going to solve this problem. And then I'm going to show you how this operation of subtraction is related to addition. Okay? All right. So because we've been working all last week on 3-digit subtraction and all that ungrouping, yikes. A lot of you are doing a great job. It's good to revisit videos. It's good to keep practicing that. I have no problem with you going, Mrs. Seitz, I'm still working on that. That's okay. It might be more challenging. So let's look. We're going to look at that ones place. I have 7. Can I get 7 out of 6? Absolutely not. I hope you're saying no, there's no way. There's a greater amount on the floor. I must ungroup next door. Next door are 3 10s. I'm going to take, that's right, I'm going to ungroup a 10. That means I'm going to leave those 2 10s there and bring a 10 over. 10, 6 is 16. 16 take away 7, thank you, is 9. 2 10s, Take away 2 tens. No tens. And then 700, take away a 100, exactly, is 600. Friends, this is where we're going to see the operation relationship. 609, good that I got mixed up there. 609 is that unknown add-in. So that's where that goes. So here's what we're going to talk about now. We know that 736 take away 127 is 609. That means 736 take away 609 equals 127. Here's the relationship of the operations. I can find out if I did the correct subtraction by adding up my, you've got it, by adding up my add-ins. I should get that total. 127 plus 609. Here we go. I'm going to check. 7 and 9 we know is 16. 6 ones, an extra 10 goes in the tens. That would make 10 and 20 is 30. 100 and 600 is 700. I am back to my total. Friends, on your board, please, on your own board, put 532, take away 181. Please do this operation on your board. When you've done that on your board, would you please also put those numbers where they belong on the math mountain? Am I looking at a total here? I hope so, because the operation is subtraction. So I know that 532 is it's the total. And then 181, if I'm taking from the total, I'm removing an, you've got it, I'm removing an add-in. And if I don't know the other unknown add-in, thank you. This is the add-in. You might say, Mrs. Seitz, I'm looking for the total. No, you are not. You know the total. The total is 532. I have 532 stickers. I used 181. How many stickers do I have left? You're looking for